Spices. The word itself conjures up images of exotic bazaars, fragrant kitchens, and ancient trade routes. For centuries, spices have captivated our senses and transformed our world. From the humblest meals to the most elaborate feasts, spices have played a pivotal role in shaping culinary traditions across the globe. Imagine a world without the warm embrace of cinnamon, the fiery kick of chili, or the earthy aroma of turmeric. It's hard, isn't it? Spices are more than just flavor enhancers. They are storytellers, weaving tales of ancient empires, daring explorations, and cultural exchange. Their journey, from cultivation to consumption, is a testament to human ingenuity, desire, and the pursuit of new tastes. This essay delves into the fascinating history of spices, tracing their origins, their impact on global cuisine, and their enduring legacy in the modern world. From the ancient Egyptians who used spices for embalming and religious rituals to the bustling spice markets of medieval Europe, the allure of spices has transcended time and geography. Join us as we embark on a journey through the captivating world of spices, exploring their enduring impact on history, culture, and cuisine. And our journey begins in the cradle of civilization, where the history of spices is deeply intertwined with the rituals, beliefs, and daily lives of ancient cultures. In Egypt, spices were more than just culinary ingredients. They held spiritual and medicinal significance. The Egyptians used cinnamon, cassia, cumin, and anise in their embalming rituals, believing these aromatics facilitated the journey to the afterlife. Pharaohs were buried with lavish offerings of spices, their tombs filled with the intoxicating scents of frankincense and myrrh. Meanwhile, in India, a land renowned for its vibrant culinary heritage, spices were an integral part of Ayurvedic medicine and religious ceremonies. Turmeric, with its golden hue and earthy flavor, was revered for its healing properties. Pepper, the black gold of ancient times, originated in the lush rainforests of South India. It quickly became a prized commodity, traded across vast distances and even used as a form of currency. China, too, developed a sophisticated palate for spices. As demand for spices surged, intricate trade networks emerged, connecting the East and West in a complex web of commerce and cultural exchange. The Silk Road, a network of land routes spanning over 4,000 miles, became a conduit for the flow of spices, silk, and other precious goods from Asia to Europe. Caravans laden with cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg traversed treacherous deserts and mountain passes. Their arrival in European markets met with great anticipation. The maritime spice routes pioneered by Arab traders offered another avenue for the spice trade. These seafaring adventurers navigated the monsoon winds, braving perilous journeys across the Indian Ocean to bring back exotic spices from the East Indies, now known as Indonesia. The control of these maritime routes became a source of great power and wealth. The allure of spices, their ability to transform ordinary dishes into culinary masterpieces, fueled an insatiable demand in Europe. This demand, coupled with the lucrative nature of the spice trade, set the stage for a new chapter in history, the European Spice Wars. The quest for spices, those tiny but mighty flavor bombs, ignited fierce rivalries among European powers, leading to a series of conflicts known as the Spice Wars. Driven by a thirst for profit and a desire to control the lucrative spice trade, nations like Portugal, Spain, the Netherlands, and England engaged in bitter struggles for dominance. The Portuguese, under the leadership of explorers like Vasco da Gama, sought to establish a monopoly over the spice trade by seizing control of key ports in India and the East Indies. Their success in establishing a maritime empire, however, was short-lived. The Spanish, emboldened by Columbus's voyages, sought their own spice route, eventually establishing a presence in the Philippines. The Dutch East India Company, a powerful trading enterprise, emerged as a major player, challenging Portuguese dominance and establishing control over spice production in Indonesia. The English, not to be outdone, established the British East India Company, engaging in fierce competition with the Dutch. These conflicts, driven by the allure of spices, reshaped global power dynamics and transformed the culinary landscape of Europe. Section 5. A culinary transformation: spices shape global tastes. The arrival of exotic spices in Europe sparked a culinary revolution, transforming tastes and redefining culinary traditions. Chefs, eager to experiment with these new flavors, began incorporating spices into their dishes, creating a fusion of Eastern and Western influences. The medieval European palate, accustomed to bland and monotonous fare, was tantalized by the introduction of pepper, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. Spices became a symbol of wealth and status, their presence on the table a testament to one's social standing. New culinary traditions emerged, influenced by the influx of spices. The use of peppercorns in savory dishes, for instance, became widespread, adding a welcome kick to meats and stews. Cinnamon found its way into sweet and savory preparations, its warm aroma infusing pastries, sauces, and even meat dishes. The impact of spices on global cuisine extends far beyond Europe. The Columbian Exchange, the transfer of plants, animals, and diseases between the Americas and the Old World, introduced new spices to both hemispheres. Chilies, native to the Americas, quickly spread throughout the world, igniting culinary fires in Asia, Africa, and beyond. Section 6. Beyond the palate: spices in medicine and wellness. The allure of spices extends far beyond their ability to tantalize our taste buds. For centuries, spices have played a vital role in traditional medicine systems around the world, their healing properties revered by ancient cultures. Ayurveda, the traditional medical system of India, has long recognized the therapeutic benefits of spices. Turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, is used to treat a wide range of ailments, from arthritis to digestive issues. Ginger, another staple in Ayurvedic medicine, is renowned for its ability to soothe nausea and aid digestion. In traditional Chinese medicine, spices like cinnamon, star anise, and cloves are used to balance the body's energy and promote overall well-being. These ancient practices, passed down through generations, highlight the deep connection between spices and human health. Modern science is now beginning to unravel the scientific basis for these traditional uses, confirming what our ancestors knew all along. Spices are potent healers. Section 7. The future is spicy: emerging trends in spice-based health. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, the future of spices is looking brighter than ever. Scientists and researchers are increasingly turning their attention to the potential health benefits of spices, exploring their use in preventing and treating a wide range of diseases. Turmeric in particular has garnered significant attention for its active compound, curcumin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. Studies suggest that curcumin may hold promise in the fight against cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and heart disease. Ginger, too, is being investigated for its potential to alleviate nausea, reduce muscle soreness, and lower blood sugar levels. The future of spice-based health innovations is ripe with possibilities. Imagine a world where spices, once relegated to the kitchen pantry, become an integral part of our healthcare regimen. From personalized spice blends tailored to our individual health needs to innovative delivery systems that enhance bioavailability, the possibilities are endless. As we continue to unlock the secrets held within these potent plant compounds, we can expect to see a surge in spice-based health solutions in the years to come. Section 8. Sustainability and spice challenges and opportunities. While the future of spice-based health innovations is undoubtedly exciting, it's crucial to address the challenges of sustainability in the spice industry. Climate change, habitat loss, and unsustainable farming practices pose significant threats to the long-term viability of spice production. The increasing demand for spices, coupled with these environmental challenges, necessitates a shift toward more sustainable practices. Fair trade certification, organic farming and regenerative agriculture are just a few ways to ensure that spice cultivation benefits both people and the planet. Consumers too have a role to play. By supporting brands that prioritize sustainability and ethical sourcing, we can contribute to a more just and equitable spice trade. Embracing a mindful approach to spice consumption, using them thoughtfully and minimizing waste, is another step in the right direction. The challenges are real, but so are the opportunities. By embracing innovation, collaboration, and a commitment to sustainability, we can ensure that the legacy of spices continues to thrive for generations to come. Section 9. Conclusion: The enduring legacy of spices. From the ancient spice routes to modern kitchens, the journey of spices is a testament to their enduring allure. More than just flavor enhancers, spices have shaped history, influenced cultures, and continue to hold immense potential for improving human health. As we've explored the fascinating history of spices, from their origins in ancient civilizations to their pivotal role in global cuisine and medicine, one thing is clear: their story is far from over. The future of spices is brimming with possibilities, from innovative health solutions to sustainable farming practices that protect both people and the planet. So the next time you sprinkle cinnamon on your morning oatmeal or add a pinch of turmeric to your curry, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and cultural significance embedded within these tiny but mighty flavor bombs. For in the world of spices, every bite is a journey through time and across cultures, a testament to the enduring legacy of these culinary treasures.